American lock 7300D and some random tubular locks picked. Hey guys, excuse me, it's Joe from Average Joe Lock Sport. What we're going to work on today are tubular locks. Dropped my key. This is an old-fashioned mechanical tubular. That's the logo that's on the lock. Don't really know what it means. On the key. Don't really know what it means. Other than that, that is it. So that is a mechanical. Then what we have is we have a clear tubular practice lock, which everybody knows they're almost meant to be open. And then we got the big boy, the American lock. So, which one are we going to start with? I say we start with the easiest and go to the hardest. So, I would say let's go ahead and do our tubular practice lock. Get out our TB tool. Always want to zero it out. And as you can see, the key does go in, and it does turn, and it does work. So let's try the TB tool. Alright. Insert it in. And then just start turning back and forth. And if it doesn't work after a couple turns, you stop and you reset it. And there you go. So, there's our practice lock opened up, as you can see, pretty quick. Alright, so we'll put the practice lock away. And the key. The next one is, again, you can see the line here shows you that it's lined up when it's in the closed position, and you can see it does not line up when it's in the open position. So we'll start with it with the line straight up and down. We're going to take our tool, zero our tool out, go ahead and put it in, and the same thing, just start wiggling it back and forth. And if you don't get it after a couple, you just stop, reset it, and try again. Okay, it doesn't look like we're going to get this one on the first time. So let's stop it, reset it. Looks like it's reset. And let's give it another whirl. Okay, push it in, and there you go. As you can see, now it's not lined up. Put the key back, take it back to the other position. So there's our second tubular lock, picked with the tbxa. Again, we're going to zero it out and let's try it on the humongous shiny American lock. As you can see, it does open. Close it, it spits out the keys because it is a key retainer. Close it. Okay, we got this zeroed out. And let's give it a whirl. Okay, push it in. Start giving her some turns back and forth. And again, if we don't get it after a minute or so of turning it back and forth, we'll just reset it and try again. And there you go. There's your open. So go ahead and close it. And we're good to go. Put the key back in. Open. Close it. Spits out the key. Alright guys. There's 3 tubular locks with the infamous southord tbxa. They do make 2 or 3 of these. This is the most common one. So there we go. If you like what you've seen, guys, please give me a like and subscribe. Other than that, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.